Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, happy Monday. We are here today rocking out with another video. And this video is going to be a review of long division. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. All right, so we are going to get right into it. 148 divided by 4. So step 1, we divide by the smallest number possible. And the rule is that the number inside the square has to be bigger than the number outside the square. So we can divide by one digit only if the number inside is bigger than the number outside. Now looking over here, 1 is not bigger than 4, so for this problem that is not the case. For this problem we can't divide by one digit. 14 is bigger than 4, so we're able to divide by 2 digits. So we have to figure out how many groups of 4 go into 14. For this video, I'm actually going to solve it by doing arrays. I've skip counted in previous videos, but I like to do a review of both strategies, versatility. So I'm going to make 14 total tallies, and I'm going to make them in rows of 4. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So now I have to count how many rows of 4, how many groups of 4 do I have in 14? And as you can see, there definitely is a remainder there. So I have 1 row of 4, I have 2 rows of 4, 3 rows of 4. And then even though I have a 4th row, I wasn't able to get a full row of 4. I was only able to get 2 in that 4th row. So 4 goes into 14 3 times. I was able to get 3 groups of 4 within 14. Now, if you look at how many tallies I actually have within a circle, out of the 14 total tallies, 12 of them were in full groups that I circled. So we're going to do 14 minus 12. And as you can see, I have a remainder of 2. So now the next step, we bring down the 8. That 2 becomes a 28. So now I got to figure out how many groups of 4 go into 28. So I'm going to make 28 total tallies. I'm going to make them in groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. When you make your groups, try to space them out as much as possible. If you have them right on top of each other, very easy to miscount. I could have even probably separated these groups a little more. But now I'm going to draw a circle around each group of 4, figure out how many full groups of 4 I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I was able to get 7 groups of 4. 4 goes into 28 7 times. There is no remainder. So 28 minus 28 equals 0. So there's no remainder in that problem. So 148 divided by 4 equals 37. All right, gonna rock out with another problem. Next problem, 395 divided by 5. Huge shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button. I appreciate you. All right, 395 divided by 5. So step 1, we want to divide by the smallest number possible within the square. And the rule is that the number inside the square has to be bigger than the number outside the square. So I'm going to put the eraser over. So 3 is not bigger than 5. Since the number inside is not bigger than the number on the outside, we cannot do 5 divided by 3. Let's see if the 2 digits will work. 39 is bigger than 5. We can do 39 divided by 5, though there will be a remainder. So now I got to figure out how many groups of 5 go into 39. So I'm going to make 39 tallies. I'm going to make them in rows of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So I have 39 total tallies. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw circles around each full group of 5. As you can see, there is going to be a remainder here. There is going to be a remainder. I wasn't able to get even groups, but every group of 5 I'm going to circle. So that's 1 group of 5. That's 2 groups of 5. That's 3 groups of 5. That's 4 groups of 5. That's 5 groups of 5. That's 6 groups of 5. That's 7 groups of 5. And as you can see, there is a remainder there. So within my 7 groups, 39 divided by 5 equals 7. So we'll put 7 up here. Within my 7 groups, I had 35 tallies that are actually inside the circles. So I'm going to do 39 minus 35. 4 is our remainder. And as you can see down here, I have 4 tallies. Yes, this is live. This is live. Appreciate you coming into the chat. Yes, we are live right now. All right. So now the next step is we bring down the 5. And now we got to do 5 divided by 45. So again, the erase strategy is very good if you aren't fluent with your multiplication facts, but if you're fluent with your multiplication and if you're able to skip count, it is a lot quicker to just skip count by 5s and count how many times you need to skip count. But for this problem, we'll rocking out with the arrays. So now I'm going to make 45 total tallies in rows of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Make that a little neater there. All right. So that's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups, 8 groups, 9 groups. So 5 goes into 45 9 times. There is no remainder. Our answer is 79. So I am going to rock out and do another problem. But before I do, I'm going to take a jumping jack break. Grabbing the cap. Whoa. All right. So I'm going to do 10 jumping jacks before I do another problem. Healthy body, healthy mind. That's what I always say. 10 jumping jacks. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. All right, we are rocking out with another problem. I know the back of my studio is a little messy. It's a new studio, just kind of moved in here, so sorry about the mess. Pretend you didn't see that. All right. Rocking out with another problem. Alright, this will probably be my final problem. 600 divided by 5. And as I've said before, we want to divide by the smallest digit possible. If we can do one digit by one digit, we go for it. But the rule is that the digit inside the square has to be bigger than the digit outside of the square. So let me cover up the other two digits. 6 is bigger than 5, so we can do 6 divided by 5. There will be a remainder, but we are going to be able to fit at least one group in there. All right, so I'm going to make 6 total tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I was able to get one group of 5. 5 goes into 6 one time. There are 5 tallies within my group. And 6 minus 5 equals 1. As you can see, there's a remainder of 1 here. We have a remainder of 1 so far. Now we bring down the 0. Now we're going to make 10 total tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's one group of 5, 2 groups of 5. And there is no remainder. 10 total tallies. We're able to get 2 groups of 5 within those 10. So 5 goes into 10 2 times. 10 minus 10 equals 0. There was no remainder. We're going to bring down another 0. Now 5 goes into 0 0 times. Zero minus 0 equals 0, and we have our final answer. 600 divided by 5 equals 120. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Huge shout out to everybody that hit the like button. I appreciate you. Please also hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. And I will see you all either later tomorrow or later tonight if I decide to do another live. All right, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.